welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be testing out the Colourpop Sandstone palette. So if you want to see how this works, then just keep watching. Okay, so like I said, this is the Sandstorm palette. I got it on Ulta's website, so I'm not sure if it's specific to Ulta only, but it is the Sandstorm palette and it retails for $22. This is what the inside looks like. Oh, come on. There we go. It's very warm and neutral, which I love. There's quite a bit of glitter. Wow, I didn't notice that until now. There's literally only 4 mattes. There's this one. Oh, and then I'm backwards. These 3. Everything else has some kind of glitter to it, whether it's a satin or full-on glitter. How intense is that though? Okay, it's really not that intense. So I don't know if you can see it. There we go. So some of these, like these, they have glitter in them, like that one, but it's very minimal. Like you can't really see too much, so I still think it'd be okay to use that in like a crease. I couldn't think of the word. So it comes with 18 shades. I haven't seen Colourpop do something this long, but that just might be me not paying attention. So let's go ahead and just jump into this. It doesn't come with a mirror, which kind of sucks, but I'm sure that's probably how they keep the cost down. Oh, I just realized this is all raised. I love that. Let's just start off very basic, very standard. And we're gonna take Vortex, which is just the lightest color. And we're gonna put that in our crease. I need a mirror. So far there is fallout in the palette with that shade. I'm not really seeing it on my face though, so it doesn't bug me. Okay, let's move on. The problem is, like, I don't know what I want to do. I think I'm gonna be really basic because one, this is a basic palette, which is my personal favorite, but I think I'm gonna pull an old Kylie Jenner moment because I really love this yellow, but I can't think of any other way I want to do it than my inner corner. So we're gonna put Recharge right here. Woo, on my eyelids. It's just a really pretty brown shade that then also has like a goldish glitter in it. So I'm gonna put that on my lid. Interesting, it's got like a really darkish, like reddish burnt brick color to it. Interesting, because in the palette it definitely looks more brown, but it's definitely coming off more like burnt. And then I love like the hint of glitter it gives. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with the first shade to blend it out and together. This is definitely a shade, wow, I got really whited out, didn't I? This is definitely a shade that you really need to pay attention to how you're patting it on, because I don't know if you can see like all of the patches that it's creating on this side, but it didn't on this side because I focused on patting it more and like smudging it in. All right, I'm gonna go in with the dark shade now just to kind of deepen this up. Should we use, let's try Grounded. It's just a dark matte brown. We're gonna try to use Grounded on the inner corner and the, I said inner, didn't I? On the outer V and the crease, because we definitely need some more dimension here. Okay, it's not really packing very well. It's kind of getting patchy. Let me try this eye because this is my better eye. Yes, that's a thing. No, it's doing it on that eye too. It's also like lifting the color underneath. Okay, I'm gonna take the same brush I've been using and do a little bit of mixture between the Recharge and the Grounded shade to put on my lower lash line. How does so much fallout? Okay, I look crazy. Let's go ahead and do the, actually, let's put a brown in. Let's put a brown in my waterline. So this is from the Colourpop and Raw Beauty Christie collection in the shade Woodsy. It's the brown shade, obviously. So I'm gonna put that in my waterline first. Wow, it matches this color like perfectly. Okay, let's go into the inner corner. The whole reason I wanted to do this look So this is the shade Oasis, which is just the orangey shade, yellow. The yellow shade in the palette. Come on, there you go. And it's just got a little bit of glitter to it. What should we use? Something small. It's not as yellow. Let's try wetting this. Because this is coming more like mustard, which isn't a problem, but that's not what the shade looks like. That's not what I want. Looks like we're getting mustard. I mean, okay, all right. That's not giving me enough of the pop I wanted. So let's go ahead and use Pueblo, which is an actual like this color. We're gonna wet this. I want intensity, please. That's a little better. All right, I'm gonna use that same shade as the brow bone highlight. Oh, that was a mistake, but now I have to make the mistake on this side. I had too much yellow still on it, ew. Okay, let me put some lips, some mascara, and then we'll come back and talk about this. Okay, so now that my mascara and lips are done, let me talk about them real quick in case you're curious. It's the Marc Jacobs Lash Mascara. And then I just got this in the mail. It is the NARS Air Matte Lip Color and the shade All Yours. When I bought it on the website, it looked way bigger than it is in person. Like, this is tiny. It's like the size of almost a lipstick, a little bit bigger, but anyways. Wow, it's not kidding about the air matte part. Wow. Anyways, Colourpop. I think what happened or what turned out looks good, but I feel like it took too much finagling. Like, I feel like most of their eyeshadow palettes normally perform better than this one did. I definitely had patchiness in this, both these colors, both the dark colors. And then there was a lot of fallout in the palette, but again, not really on my face, so that doesn't bug me. I don't know. I'm kind of disappointed in it, but again, it was only $22, so I'm not really that upset with it. I don't like that there's not that many mattes that I didn't notice on the website. I don't know. Would I recommend it? Probably not, unless you have money to burn and you just want an extra palette. But I mean, I don't know. I feel like the quality wasn't on par with their other stuff, so probably wouldn't recommend this. But yeah, if you have any other palettes that you want me to try, just let me know down below. But that's all I have for this video, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.